Hello students, today we are going to start our next topic, exterior angles of a triangle. Look at this triangle ABC. Let us produce this side BC so that point X lies on this ray BC. Here observe angle ACX lies in the exterior of triangle ABC. And angle ACX is the exterior angle of triangle ABC at point C. Similarly, angle ACB is the interior angle of triangle ABC at point C. This is the exterior angle. This is the interior angle. When two angles are formed on the same vertex, then this is known as the interior adjacent angle corresponding to this exterior angle. Now this is the interior adjacent angle of this angle. Now these 2 points are opposite to vertex C. So angles formed at A and B are known as its interior opposite angles. Similarly, if we observe the triangle ABC such that AC is produced up to point Y, then exterior angle at vertex A will be angle BAY. This one. What should I write? Angle BAY. Now interior adjacent angle at vertex A, that will angle BAC. That means this angle. Now interior opposite angles of angle BAY, these two, that is angle B, angle C. As at B and C only one angle is formed, so I can write these as angle B and angle C. If we want, we can write the complete names also. Both are okay. Now, on the basis of this, we will solve our worksheet number 3. Name all the exterior angles in the given triangle. Angle 5, angle 6, angle 4. So how will we write? Like this. Angle 4, 5, 6 also can be written. No problem. Now next question. Complete the table given below. We will look it carefully. Triangle PQR. QR is produced up to point S. So exterior angle is formed at this vertex. So the name of exterior angle will be PRS. Its interior adjacent that is made at the same vertex, angle PRQ, and its opposite angles, angle P and angle Q. Now next is exterior angle is at vertex Z. So the name of angle is YZV. Interior adjacent angle XZY. And its opposite angles, angle X, angle Y. Next, exterior angle. This is exterior angle. Angle DAC and its adjacent angle, angle CAB, and opposites are angle C and angle B. Now question number 3. Look at the figure and complete the given statements. Interior opposite angles corresponding to exterior angle 5 are dash and dash. This is the exterior angle. We are to tell the interior opposite angles of this angle. For angle 5, the vertex is P. So opposite vertices are Q and R, and angle formed at interior points are angle 2 and angle 3. Interior adjacent angle corresponding to angle 6. This is angle 6, exterior angle. Its adjacent will be angle 2. Exterior angle at vertex R. This is vertex R. Exterior angle formed is angle 4. Interior opposite angles corresponding to exterior angle 6. This is exterior angle. Its opposite angles are 1 and 3. It is compulsory to write the symbol of angle every time. Don't write only 1 and only 3. Now, interior adjacent angle corresponding to exterior angle at vertex P. This is the exterior angle at vertex P. We are to tell its interior adjacent, which are sharing the same vertex. That is angle 1. That's all in your worksheet number 3. Now your homework is to complete your worksheet number 3. Thank you.